Okay, try to imagine you came home from a long working day and you love really soft and really glowy foundation makeup that you have on, but it's super, super soft and it's super girly. I want to show you how you can transform already pre-made makeup and create it for a date night to emphasize these colors a little bit more. And then maybe you can work with this type of techniques in the future to work with any colors. Let's get started. I want to show you some makeup routine that is not going to take you a lot of time because we're kind of like in a hurry. We need to real quick change this makeup routine into something more dramatic and a little bit more sexy. So that is the main reason why I'm going with my black eyeliner, the one that I used. But now we're gonna grade a little bit thicker and brighter eyeliner. I'm going from the outer corner and just prolonging the line. When we're done with the black eyeliner, let's do a little bit of some eyeshadows. I have my favorite pointy brush, and we have some colorful eyeshadow palette. Let's use this brown color. You can go with a little bit of black or gray. Let's do a little bit of brown, tap it off, and use my black liner as a guideline. I want to cover my face from any fallout. Let's just make sure that we have a little bit of this color on top. And with a fluffy brush in any color, maybe this pink or maybe even beige shade, it doesn't really matter, guys, depending on what you have on. Blend this out with a brush. Nothing crazy, we're just getting this in place. Let's go with the same brush and the same brown I used to smudge out the line, and I want to go on in this area. Nothing crazy, it's just a tiny line to spice up the look. Work with your fingers, it's okay. I mean, like if you need to clean a little bit, go ahead and use your fingers and use this pink color with the same one under the brown and on top. And in the center of this eye makeup look, I want to do something bright. Not even bright, but like a little bit of glitter. The silver. I don't really get much. And let's get the color on. Last but not least is going to be the same brown that I used on the top lid. And let's just get this underneath my lashes with my brown pencil over my waterline. That's it, guys. This is it. If you need to add a little bit more color, you can always do that. If you need a little bit more pink, let's add some pink. The color that I used on top to blend this out. So this is the before and this is after. Okay guys, and this is the final result. We transformed a very soft and girly daytime makeup look into something night out. Of course, you can definitely choose some different lip option. I totally get it. I love the color. It looks really good with my skin tone. I don't know why I think so, but I do really think so. I actually really enjoyed this transformation. Hope you did as well. You can work with absolutely any colors. It can be black eyeshadows, something dark gray. You can skip this line and just skip it smoky to the bottom, or you can add shimmers, you can skip shimmers. I mean, I'm just showing you an option. If you have something super soft, you can always smoke that out with some different eyeshadows, or maybe you can avoid waterline eyeliner. It's up to you guys. I mean, if you want me, I can show you some other options in the future. Let me know just in the comments if you really want to see this. I love you all so much, and I'm going to see you in my next video, hopefully. Bye bye.